Hey, it's Rainy, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own color book washable t-shirt. So you're going to need some washable markers, vinyl, a t-shirt, and a Cricut. I'm here on Cricut Design Space, and all the images I'm using today came from the subscription of Cricut Access. So I just typed in unicorn. I was able to find this cute unicorn, and then I picked out a font where my kiddo would be able to color in the words. And since she loves unicorns and the 100th day of school is coming up, I thought this was the perfect time to make this t-shirt. So let's make it. I want to use glitter iron-on for the shirt. And then I'm going to change this to more pressure and make sure that I have my fine point blade loaded in. Before I cut the vinyl, I wanted to go ahead and show you how I was going to set the mat up. So I went ahead and cut out a 8" by 8" square of vinyl. And then I'm also going to use this strong grip transfer tape. Now the reason why I'm going to use this is my mat isn't very sticky anymore, and I don't want to take the risk of the vinyl sliding around when it's in the machine cutting, because then it would just damage the whole piece of vinyl. So I just cut that out to the size that I needed, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this down to my mat. Okay, I'm going to pull off the backing here, and then the side that isn't sticky, that's the side I'm going to put down on the mat. And then I'm ready to apply my vinyl, and I'm going to put the glitter side down. Then I'm going to use my brayer tool to make sure it's really adhered to the mat. The first thing I always do before cutting is I go ahead and I check my blade. So I'm just going to make sure there's no vinyl left over from the last time I was using it. Looks good. And then I'm ready to load my vinyl. Okay, I just finished cutting, so I'm going to go ahead and unload it. And then I'm going to peel the vinyl off the strong grip transfer tape. And then now I'm ready to remove the excess vinyl. I just finished removing the parts of vinyl that I don't need, so I'm going to take a pair of scissors and just trim around my design. I went to the Cricut Heat Guide and I selected the Cricut Easy Press 2 with the glitter vinyl, and I'm using a 100% cotton shirt. So it says I need to set my temperature to 330 degrees. I will preheat the shirt for 5 seconds and then press it for 30 seconds with light pressure. And then I will need to flip it and press it for another 15 seconds. Okay, before I add the vinyl, I need to find the center of the shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the shirt for 5 seconds. Alright, and then I'm going to take the shirt and I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to make sure to line up the sleeves. Then I'm going to press right down the center to make a crease. Now when I open the shirt, there's a line going down the center of the shirt. So now I'm going to take my vinyl and I'm going to fold that in half and make sure to line up the words with the tail here, and put a crease in the top and a crease in the bottom. So now this line that goes down the center of the vinyl, I'm going to line that up with the line that goes down the shirt. And then I'm going to take my ruler here, and I like to put the vinyl starting about 2 inches down from the top of the shirt here. Okay, now I'm ready to press it. And now we're going to press it for 30 seconds with light pressure. Just checking to see if the liner is cool to touch, and it is. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the corner and slowly remove the liner. That looks great.